Need to sign a PDF or request signatures online? With eSignGear, you can create signature fields. Send signing requests by email. The recipient can open the email and sign directly. You can also track the full activity history. eSignGear makes online PDF e-signing simple. Let's walk through the complete process. First, search for eSignGear in your browser. This is the official eSignGear website. On the home page, you can start from the upload area. Click Upload PDF file to choose your document. After the file is uploaded, it opens in the online editor. Choose your file from the folder window and wait for it to load. Now add fields such as signature, initial, name, text, date, or stamp. Select a field type from the right toolbar. The field appears on the PDF page. Drag the field to the correct place. For example, place it on the applicant's signature line. Resize the field so it fits the document. Adjust its position until it lines up cleanly. Then click the field to add your signature. Choose a saved signature or create a new one. That is how to e-sign a PDF online. eSignGear also lets you request signatures from others. Enter the signee's email address and name. You can add more than one signee. Each signee can have their own assigned fields. You can adjust the request settings here. Reminder frequency, expiration date, and other settings. You can also turn on extra options if needed. Review the details before saving. Click Done to save. The signee now appears in the signee list. To request a signature, select the signee first. Then create fields for that signee. The assigned fields are highlighted for easy checking. Add the required signature, name, or date fields. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct person. After creating the fields, manage your settings here. You can reopen the signee settings if you need changes. Click this button to save and send the request. After sending, track activity and signee status here. The page shows who has signed and who still needs to sign. At the same time, the signee receives an email. They can click to review and sign the PDF. The signing page opens in the browser without extra software. They can sign directly in the sign field. Type draw or choose a signature file. After placing the signature, they can review the document. No complicated extra steps are needed. Click Sign, and the signee status updates. eSignGear confirms that the document has been signed. The sender can see the updated status. As the initiator, you will receive the signed document too. The request page marks the signing workflow as completed. Then download the signed PDF. Open the downloaded file to check the final result. Here is the PDF we just signed. Once everyone signs, the signee gets a download email. The email includes a button to view the signed document. Click the button to download the signed PDF. The signed copy opens and can be saved locally. As the initiator, you can view all past signed documents. Open a document record to check its details. This is how to e-sign a PDF online with eSignGear. You can sign PDFs and collect signatures in one place. Go to the website and give it a try. See you in the next video.